guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we are about to take you on a mind-bending journey into the hidden world of the ultra-rich. We are here to uncover their bizarre habits and secret lives that will leave you both fascinated and astounded. So buckle up and get ready to experience a world beyond your wildest dreams. We all know that the ultra-rich are in a league of their own by themselves. But do you know what actually goes on behind the shining facades of their luxurious mansions? No? Well, not to worry. We are here to tell you everything about them. So just prepare to have your mind blown as we unveil the mystery of their odd habits and reveal the strange rituals that set them apart from the rest of us simple humans. So guys, let's begin by exploring their extravagant lifestyles and the jaw-dropping habits they've adopted. Let's get started. Number 1. Collecting exotic and strange items. Friends, if you've ever went strolling through the massive halls of a billionaire's home, then you must have witnessed a room packed with old artifacts and anomalies that defy explanation. One bizarre habit that many ultra-rich individuals indulge is in collecting exotic and sometimes downright strange items, from ancient artifacts and shrunken heads to rare exotic animals. The ultra-rich have a penchant for collecting the extraordinary. Their collections can be awe-inspiring, featuring items like preserved dinosaur fossils, vintage cars, or even a private zoo filled with endangered species. Just suppose, for an example, a billionaire who owns an entire museum filled with preserved dinosaur fossils. Can you imagine having a T-Rex skull as a coffee table conversation piece? Number 2. Extravagant beauty rituals. But it's not only just the collections that are fascinating. When it comes to beauty routines, the ultra-rich take it to a whole new level. They indulge in opulent skincare treatments using precious metals like gold, platinum, or even diamond-infused creams. The ultra-rich often have peculiar daily routines. While most of us wake up and grab a cup of coffee, they might start their day with a 24-karat gold facial. Some even go to extreme lengths, such as using exotic animal extracts or undergoing bizarre treatments like vampire facials, where their own blood is drawn and applied to their skin. Yes, you heard it right. We are sure you must be astounded after hearing this. Well, they believe that these treatments rejuvenate their skin and give them a radiant glow. Number 3. Lavish spa and retreat experiences. When it comes to relaxation, the ultra-rich spare no expense. While we might head to a nearby spa for a massage, they might opt for a spa experience on a private island, complete with personal masseuse, gourmet meals, and breathtaking views. Well, these exclusive getaways actually offer a level of pampering that is unparalleled, providing a complete escape from ordinary people. Number 4. Extraordinary dining experiences. Now let's delve into the dining habits of the ultra-rich. Guys, you know of the ultra-rich, dining is an art form. They seek out exclusive restaurants with awe-inspiring interiors where walls may be adorned with gold or other precious materials. While we are content with our local fast food joints, they seek out extravagant dining experiences. Imagine having a meal at a restaurant with walls made of solid gold, or being served dishes sprinkled with edible diamonds. The ultra-rich truly take fine dining to extraordinary heights. But it's not all about the material possessions and lavish experiences. Many ultra-rich individuals are deeply committed to personal growth and self-improvement. They invest significant time and resources into wellness retreats and mind-expanding activities. Well, the ultra-rich consider dining not just a necessity, but an experience to be savored and shared. Number 5. Unconventional productivity habits. Actually, some ultra-rich individuals even practice unconventional habits to enhance their productivity. Have you ever heard of polyphasic sleep? Well, basically, it's a technique where they take short, strategic power naps throughout the day, instead of sleeping for long hours. They claim it allows them to stay alert, focused, and get more done. Sometimes they also prioritize self-improvement by attending seminars, hiring personal coaches, and participating in wellness retreats that offer unique techniques for enhancing mental clarity, creativity, and overall performance. Number 6. Pursuit of exclusive and limited edition items. Now, let's talk about their love for all things exclusive. The ultra-rich have a passion for owning exclusive and one-of-a-kind items. They are well known for seeking out limited edition, one-of-a-kind items. From customized luxury cars to designer clothing lines created exclusively for them, they strive to stand out from the crowd and own things that no one else can. They like the satisfaction of possessing something unique that expresses their individual tastes and objectives. Number 7. Philanthropy and giving back. Friends, let me tell you that everything is not all about possessions. Guys, it's important to note that not all habits of the ultra-rich are centered around extravagance. Many ultra-rich individuals are philanthropic and use their wealth to make a positive impact on society. They even establish foundations, support charities, and contribute to causes they deeply care about. Their generosity knows no bounds. Giving back becomes a way of life for them, through which they leave a lasting legacy and make a difference in the lives of others. Number 8. Exorbitant pet care. Another bizarre habit of the ultra-rich is that they shower their beloved pets with extraordinary care and pampering. From luxury pet spas offering specialized treatments and massages to couture clothing lines exclusively designed for pets, no expense is spent in ensuring their furry companions live a life of luxury. They may even hire personal chefs to prepare gourmet meals for their pets or provide them with private pet transportation services for ultimate convenience. Number 9. Secret societies and exclusive clubs. Guys, you know the ultra-rich often seek membership in exclusive secret societies and elite clubs that provide access to close-knit groups of like-minded individuals. These secretive societies provide them with a sense of exclusivity, networking possibilities, and connections to powerful people. They create an environment where the ultra-rich can socialize, share ideas, and collaborate on projects away from the prying eyes of the public. Number 10. Superstitious beliefs and rituals. Friends, you know, despite their immense wealth and access to modern amenities, some ultra-rich individuals even maintain strong superstitious beliefs and engage in elaborate rituals. Sometimes they seek consultation from fortune tellers, employ feng shui experts to arrange their homes for optimal energy flow, or carry talismans and charms for good luck. These rituals offer a sense of comfort and control in a world where uncertainty still exists. So guys, we have uncovered the secret lives of the ultra-rich. We've witnessed their bizarre habits, mind-blowing collections, extravagant experiences, and their pursuit of personal growth and philanthropy. But have you ever thought about what drives these eccentric behaviors? Well, some argue that it's a result of the insatiable desire for status and validation, while others believe it's a way for the ultra-rich to live life to the fullest and experience things most people can only dream of. One thing is for certain, the secret lives of the ultra-rich provide us with a glimpse into a world that is both fascinating and perplexing. It's a world where money knows no bounds and where the pursuit of luxury and exclusivity becomes a way of life. But let's not forget that while their habits may seem bizarre to us, the ultra-rich are still human beings in their own joys, challenges, and complexities. Behind the extravagant facades, they face the same fundamental questions about happiness, purpose, and fulfillment that we all do. So as we discuss the secret lives of the ultra-rich, let's take a moment to reflect. While we may not have their wealth or privilege, but we can still find inspiration in their pursuit of passion, their commitment to personal growth, and their philanthropic endeavors. Remember, It's not about imitating their habits or belongings, but about accepting your own unique journey and making the best possible use of the resources we have. After all, the true wealth lies not just in material possessions, but in the experiences we cherish, the relationships we nurture, and the positive impact we create in the world. If you're a book reader, do read the 3 books in the description for more enlightenment on the topic. So that's all for today's video, and thank you guys for joining us in the video. Let me share with you that whatever we are going to earn through this video, we will donate 9% of it to the education of unprivileged children in India. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel. And remember, no matter where we stand on the wealth spectrum, we all have the power to make our lives extraordinary. Until the next video, keep dreaming big and living boldly.